I'm not gonna lie, guys, I don't even know what to title this video. Lately, I've been on Twitter recently, and I feel like a lot of people are like scared or under the threat of this new thing called AI, artificial intelligence. And I've been seeing people like sort of, they're not saying it, but I feel like there's an implication in which people are losing hope, which honestly I think it's a bit crazy. Guys, if you don't get through the entire video, let me just say this now. Honestly, do not lose hope for like the medium of art. We're not gonna have robots take over the art medium. Like, I don't think it's gonna happen. I think it's almost impossible. And the one thing I've been hearing about from people is that the jobs. What about the jobs? To be fair, I don't know. I'm honestly, I'm speaking to the ether. I have no script written. I sort of it's been a while since I uploaded a video that's like art and me talking to the mic. So here I am. And I have no idea what I'm going to title this. Again, I'm speaking to the ether at this moment. A stream of conscience, as if you will. But anyway, Twitter. I think that people are sort of in the mindset that it's too late to be an artist, or that there's no point in trying. Like, they have a low following, don't have big numbers, they don't have no Instagram followers, no YouTube subscribers, nothing. They don't have a TikTok. Well, I'm not gonna get a TikTok because I hate TikTok. But the point is, they're thinking about really taking this art thing seriously in their internet space. And due to the resurgence, or not the resurgence, but due to the latest thing being AI art, I feel like I feel like they've sort of said, like, what's the point? And I feel like maybe there's a better way to look at this. Again, I don't think AI is going to take over art. To be fair, I have been seeing some crazy things. Did you know that on Amazon there's like AI art books? That is insane. If I'm not too lazy, I'll show some, images of what I've seen. It is absolutely insane. I can't imagine people choosing to actually spend a cent on AI art books. Mind you, they're not physically made; they're made digitally. So it's even more pointless, personally. But I would say with this and all these factors included, sort of is getting people to be worried. I'm curious if you guys have seen like this post on Twitter about these dudes made an animation which is made from AI, which is just them recording themselves, which is just a filter technically. People destroyed that. People dragged that to the dirt. And I saw the animation, the whatever AI thing that they did. It was like these two dudes playing rock, paper, scissors in a bombastic way. Well, first of all, it sort of bored me because it just looks a bit boring. It just looks like a filter over real life people, and that's sort of not the point of animation, I would think. And I see two sides, actually. Let me be fair. There's two sides that I'm seeing. I'm seeing people saying that, oh, if this is what AI is, then we got this in the bag. Like, we don't have to worry. Like, it's garbage. It looks like garbage, and they get the hands messed up. They're giving people 8 fingers per hand, and it looks uncanny. And yeah, that's one side. The other side, however, I feel like people are saying, okay, this is what it looks like now, but what if it gets better? And what if it, sort of it's undistinguishable from real art and their art styles? And I'm curious if that is the case. I'm curious what you guys are gonna do. Honestly, like, surely you guys are gonna not like. Are you guys gonna not do art anymore? You're gonna stop drawing? I don't know. I think I mentioned this in the stream once, but even if an AI were to copy my exact art style perfectly, like to a T, and draw even better than me, I don't think I'd stop drawing, honestly. I don't know. Like, sure, you could draw like me, but I don't know. Like, why do I do art? That's sort of what I'm asking myself. Like, to be fair, for me, it's fun. It's relaxing. It's therapeutic. It's I just find it to be very fun. And true, without a doubt, of course, I'd love to be paid doing this. Like, it goes without saying. To be paid to doing what you like to do is sort of the dream. Sort of. I only say sort of because things are usually fun when it's only in the realm of a hobby, but once you have to turn it into a job, it sort of becomes a drag. As reflective sometimes with these videos, because I will say it's sometimes a drag to make a video, but I have to do art to make a video. So it's like I can't really like make art for myself. I sort of feel like I'm making art for a YouTube video. Anyway, that's beside the point. The point is I guess people are worried that AI art or AI robots is gonna take over the art scene, and therefore the big artists that are in the scene now, like, you know, the big artists like Leah Krishna, Sam Does Art, like Michan, you know, these people, like the people that already are not taking up, I don't want to say it like that, the people that are already sort of quote unquote, I guess, made it in the art space, they've made it at a good time. Like Ross Draws, these guys, they've already made it to a point when they're officially have made doing art their job and their lifestyle, so to speak. So even with the, I guess, thing with AI, I don't want people that are, like, I guess you could say, not as prolific to just stop. I don't know. I feel like that's such a nihilistic way to see it. Like, well, you know, what's the point? Like, there are these robots that, if they're gonna copy my art style, and they're gonna draw better than me, so what's the point, like, doing art? I don't know. I feel like there is a point still. There is still a point of self-expression. Regardless if the robot does art better than you, and regardless if it does it faster than you, and regardless if it just generally draws better than you, I don't think that's a reason to, you know, just not draw. I mean, to be fair, I'm still curious to see where it goes. The thing is, I'm sort of conflicted too, because for the people that know me, sci-fi is my favorite genre. So I'm like conflicted, because the concept of AI getting smarter is sort of exciting, but at the same time it's sort of worrying, because I've been playing some games in which there's, like, you know, this runaway AI and sort of, you know, causes the end of the world. But you know that it's just a fiction, right? Like, I don't think current mankind is dumb enough to make an AI strong enough to, you know, bring on cultural devastation, right? I don't know. Again, I'm speaking to the ether. This is a stream of conscience, and I'm not really, you know, have a script in front of me. I'm just talking. But again, if there's anything I want you guys to take out of this rambling, it's just, you know, just don't give up. It's not too late. I don't think it's too late. I think that art is definitely a heavily saturated field, especially if it's digital art or, you know, drawing videos. It's definitely going to be a competition. It's hard. It is hard. There's many godlike artists. You know, I realize what people are putting in their titles now is the art gods. And I'm like, why are we calling them gods? It's sort of flattering and to them, and sort of hilarious to idolize normal people. I never understood that. They're like, sure, they draw fantastic, and I wouldn't call them gods. Like, it's funny because these are people usually that are just older than us, and the people that call them gods are just early 20s, mid 20s, and these people are like adults, like 40 plus, doing this for years. So give yourself some time and some credit. Like, it's, again, just work at it. That is to say that it's not like I'm making it. I'm like still a no-name artist, I would think, right? right? I don't know. Like, I'm still doing videos because I still want to make it. I'm the most laziest, hardworking person I know, hence why I'm doing this in the first place. Plus, I like art, so being paid to do art is sort of like, whoa. I sort of like that idea. Anyway, I'm rambling now. Again, not too late. Keep doing art, regardless if the robots take the art style. And yeah, to be fair, it is plagiarism. I agree. Like, if they could just take your art styles and put it in a generator without your permission, I do think that is a load of hogwash. But if we manage to solve that problem, I'll be glad. But again, don't give up on art and your art dreams. Anyway, thank you for watching this video of me just rambling into the ether. Like, subscribe, comment, not in whatever order you want to do it. I have videos. I have a lot of videos. I have an Instagram. I have a Twitter. I have a Twitch that I don't use. I have a Patreon that I'm still using, that I hope to put up more content there. Anyway, again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.